Hey everyone, it's your buddy Adil speaking from Brazil, and in today's video I will share with you a strategy to instantly increase your average order value and for free. Okay, so before that we get started, in my last video I said that there will be two winners of a copy from my course Ecom Accelerator. I'm doing a giveaway, and let's check who's gonna win. The winner gonna get access to my course and the lifetime updates, and also access to the mastermind, and all of this for free. So the first winner, no, Victoria. Victoria, you're already enrolled in the course. You are already a student. So let's check another person. Super Sam, awesome. So Super Sam, congrats. Let's check another person, another winner, and it's Mehdi Ahmito. So congrats guys. Check below this video in the description, you'll find an email. Get in touch with my team and they're gonna take a good care of you. Right guys, so the strategy I'm talking about to instantly increase the average order value, and it's a strategy that I'm implementing myself, my students, and the results are there, is this one, is the following. So in the shipping method, you add three type of shipping methods. One, free shipping, shipping with tracking number, and insured shipping with tracking number. So let's go and check these one by one. The first one, free shipping without tracking number. So if if your customer select this one without tracking number, even though you will send them the tracking number, it will feel like a bonus, like an extra that you are giving for them, and it's always good for you. Like they can eventually wait more to receive the product, and it's always good. It will cost you nothing to do this. There will be no extra cost for you. The second one is shipping with tracking number. Recommended. Why recommended? Because it's like when you go to a store, and you are lost and there is too many stuff, and you wait for the vendor, like, hey, why don't you try this one? This is what people are buying. It's exactly the same. Recommended, you orient the people, so, and they are, when you add this mention, they are more likely to go with this option. The third one is shipping with tracking, insured shipping with tracking number. This also doesn't change anything in the whole process for you. For example, imagine a customer buy a product and it get lost, or it arrived damaged or something. You still need to replace it, to avoid chargebacks and disputes and this kind of stuff. So it's something like you will do it anyway. And it's just that here we are giving it a name, and we are giving it also a price. And yeah, and regarding the pricing, it doesn't have to be like that. For example, $3.97, $7.97. It depends on the product that you are selling right now that is making you money right now. You need to be testing the pricing. For example, if I'm selling a product that is sold for $50 and above, or $40 and above, I can keep these prices. If I'm selling a product for $19, $17, something like that, I will lower this one for $1.97, for example, or something like that, and this one to like $4.97, eventually $3.97, $5.97. I will lower. And if I'm selling like some really high-end stuff, let's say that the average order value is something like $80 or something, I can take this one to $9.97 and this one to $4.97. So it really depends. You need to tweak, to test the prices until you find like the sweet spot for you. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you found it useful, smash that like button. If you are new to the channel, hit that that bell, you know, and subscribe to get notification whenever I'm throwing some new stuff. And yeah, if in case you want to join my course Ecom Elite Accelerator, I'm leaving 2 coupons in the description. One with a discount of $100 for the first one to take action on this, and the second one with a discount of $50. So first arrived, first served, and see you in the next one. Cheers.